you have done. Are we not supposed to be sober? We cannot reflect. We cannot sober. We cannot be sober. The English I'm speaking now, I'm on legge mode. Please, nobody should try and correct me. Please. Our mouth in Oko. I'm on legge Miami's mood now. The kind of English is rated legge. Please. Enuwa Oko. Don't do Valentine now, irony. Some people will start from tomorrow now. They will not be sober. Anyway, it is well. Forget about the match. She give away. She first show mon no. Around come are you joking? Forget about that's why you will suffer in this country. Every little thing we forget easily. We move on. That's why those politicians don't take us seriously. Just now. They finish ball to 11. You already forget 11:52. Shondi, know what you be telling me or know what you be saying. That's why these politicians don't take us seriously, because we forget things. We don't move on. You are asking for giveaway at this crucial period, this crucial time. I did a 45 minutes miming of Adeton's song. I did it in trust. I spoke to Musa, I spoke to everybody in the song, spoke to Aino, spoke to Osime in the song, everything. This is what I have to get for it. And you're telling me to do giveaway. Please. What's the problem? You didn't win every battle. You don't win every battle. Which battle we don't win since now? The battle of where we win. This one that we are supposed to even console ourselves with. We not still win. What have you won? Oh God, it's like what?